Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage Encode Plus not connecting to Wi-Fi setup, 2.4 GHz and offline fix. To quickly fix a Schlage Encode Plus that won't connect to Wi-Fi, reboot the lock by removing the battery tray for 10 seconds. Next, ensure your router uses a 2.4 GHz band and that your Wi-Fi password is 24 characters or less without any special symbols. If your device is still struggling to connect, a more detailed troubleshooting process can help resolve the issue. Fix 1. Check Wi-Fi network and password rules. Confirm your Wi-Fi password is 24 characters or fewer and does not contain spaces or unsupported special characters. Users on Reddit have noted that temporarily disabling the router firewall and ensuring ports 1883 and 8883 are open can help the lock reach the stage cloud. Fix 2. Perform a hard power cycle. Retract the deadbolt so it is in the unlocked position. Now remove the interior battery cover and pull out the battery tray. Leave the tray disconnected for at least 10 seconds. Now reinsert the battery tray, ensure it clicks and secures properly. Then extend and retract the bolt manually. Fix 3. App troubleshooting. Log out of the Sage Home app entirely, then close it and log back in. According to Reddit, briefly toggling your phone's airplane mode on and off during the pairing process can force a cleaner connection. If all else fails, remove the lock from the app, then factory reset the lock and re-add it as a brand new device. Fix 4. Hardware and environmental factors. Smart locks use standard batteries and can struggle to maintain a connection if they are too far from the router. Consider moving your router closer or adding a Wi-Fi extender. If your batteries are low, the lock will prioritize local mechanics, keypad/Bluetooth, over high-power tasks like Wi-Fi syncing. So replace all the 4 AA batteries. In highly humid environment, moisture can sometimes interfere with outdoor electronics. Ensuring the battery compartment remains dry can help. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.